Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, y'all see this? Sure y'all see this? Quarter little glass is broken. Stolen recovery. I guess somebody tried to steal it. The only way to get in is bust this glass out, then pick up on the lock, which will only allow you to open the door. You still have no way to start it. So that's why I understand why thieves do stuff like this. And here's the part that I've received. Okay, looks like you have to replace the whole weather strip complete assembly that comes with the glass. All right, so guys, we're gonna figure this out as we go, but looks like one bolt holds it right there. Like I say, I'm not sure why a thief would, unless it's something very valuable inside of here. Why bother breaking a car that you can't start and drive? Okay, because most cars nowadays are security system built into them. So if you stick some kind of key in the ignition and the computer don't recognize the key, it will not allow you to crank and run. Now, I'm almost sure there's some systems out there that can get around that. Okay, and I'm also sure that that system is extremely expensive and likely illegal. So if anybody have that capability to do that, I would suspect that they would be under the watchful eye, because basically you could steal cars, and that's what they're trying to prevent. But thief broke in here, opened the door, got in, and was sitting in the seat wondering, now what? What do you mean, now what? Again, you can't steal this car, you can't start it. So I don't get it. I don't understand. Do we need to educate our thieves, or do we need to lock them up? Okay, that is a typical debate one could have. I don't know. I don't get it. I do not understand. Why would you take a risk? Why would you steal, first of all? In the beginning, that is wrong. Breaking in somebody's car. Somebody worked hard for their property. They got them a car, and then you likely come along and break in and steal it, trying to steal it, break inside. That part is wrong. But if you're a thief, auto thief nowadays, you are extremely wrong and risky. You can get shot, killed, everything, and you won't even get the product. You walk away, you locked up for breaking into a car to just sit down in it because you had no way to start it, or you knew of no way to start it because it's security system built in. Okay guys, enough chit chatting. I'm gonna grab some tools. First thing first, we gotta get this door panel off, and like I said, we're gonna learn as we go, guys. All right, all this glass in here, I'm likely have to take this glass out. All right guys, let me grab some tools. Don't go anywhere, man. Go to a quick ad break, so stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I will be right back. All right guys, as you can see right here, I have the door panel off. Now I got to figure out how to get, I'm not sure if I need to take the glass off. If you look inside of there, you can see the glass attached to the regulator. I'm gonna try to take the motor off and see if I can just separate the two from there. But again, we're chasing this glass right here. Here's my new one. I will have to remove the glass because the channel is surrounding the glass. The weather strip is surrounding the glass. So like I say guys, we're gonna figure this out as we go. Let me just start removing things. Well, looks like I'm gonna have to start with a charged battery. All right guys, I'll be right back. All right guys, so I got most of the bolts holding the this regulator whole bracket onto the door. Most of those are off, so it's ready to come out. Now I was able to unhook the glass from the regulator assembly, so now the glass can actually go up or down, whichever way I want it to. It's no longer attached to the regulator. So in order to remove this now, let's have one more bolt right here, a screw. All right, that just fell. Remove it. Now you should be able to. Yep, still got some holding it. It is the latch. This unit, this particular model, the latch is bolted to the whole assembly, so I will have to remove the latch assembly. All right guys, let's get it. Alright guys, so basically the glass is inside the door. It actually just fell inside the door, which is a good thing. I'm now off of the channels, so I can merely take this out now. The whole point of me removing this was to get the glass off of the channel. Alright, let's get this boat out and let's see where we're at after that. Let's get it. Alright guys, so we got the boat out. Now it's just a matter of fighting this. See how it's coming loose. The glass is no longer in the channel, so that makes the channel easier to get out. Okay, we're almost there, guys. Wow, there we go. Okay. Wow. There you have it. I guess it's the quarter glass. Okay guys, you gotta be careful with that glass. You don't want that glass all in your skin and stuff. It could get in your pores and wreak some havoc. So I had to go get some gloves. Of course, that was a smart thing to do. Now I gotta grab a vacuum cleaner and clean out as much glass as I can. Like I say, here's my new one. All you're doing is reversing the removal, but I would go in, I would use silicone spray lube to lube up the weather strip so it would go on easier. Alright, so that's pretty much it, guys. Put the weather strip back the way it came, lock up all your channels and your bolts. You're pretty much done at that point. So, but I don't want to hold y'all because I have to go hunt down a vacuum cleaner. I cannot put this in like this and try to get all the glass out of the inside. But that is how you replace a quarter glass on a, what is this, a Dodge Charger? Pretty much any car, they're going to be bolted the same way. The theory going to be the same, okay guys? So always keep in mind, or always be aware of the theory is pretty much the same from car to car to car. Now the procedure may differ, but the thinking and the theory is pretty similar, all right? Alright guys, we're trying to get some of that old glass out of there. It is hard because this glass is trapped into small crevices, but we're going to get as much as we can.